Welcome! Join me for 2 quiet January days in a snowy hive. Watch as the winter light, frost and snow and patient moments revive the hidden life of the landscape. Sit back, stay still and let the wild unfold.
Now I'm on my way to blind number 2. I will go there and check my trail camera, and if there are anything excited on them I will show it after this. In the south of Sweden it has been cold and snow for over 1 month, but the forecast for the weekend is that it should be warmer, maybe rain and perhaps snow. So I will go there and prepare for Thursday. I will put out some food because I have food there. It's frozen food and I will try to fix it, and I will fix a little bit other things also. My friend has promised me that I can borrow his four-wheeling on Thursday. So in the morning there I will go out with food and put there, and then I will go into my blind and see if there are any birds. I will also connect my Reolink. It's a camera where I can directly see what's happening in the area. I can see it in my telephone. But now I will go there and join me in this journey.
I was a little bit afraid of that I can't come here because there's a lot of snow, but as you see there's my car, and I hope I can go home also, because somewhere there were a lot of snow, and it's not a four-wheeling or a four-wheel car, so let's hope it's okay to go home again. But now I will go and check the trail cameras and put out some food. Are some moose tracks I will show you to you. And I will see if I can find where they are sleeping. And here you can see that they have slept for some nights, and I will search for more. And here they have also pea. Here's a lot of moose. Actually, I can't find my trail camera, but I think it's 10 meters there and 10 meters in the forest. And I'm pretty sure, but I couldn't see it, so I will go back. Now my brothers laugh at me. I can see footprints to my blind and here, so maybe the trail camera is stolen, but I don't know, because but I'm pretty sure that it was here. But I will search a little bit more, but first I will go to the blind. I have now put out some food for the small birds, and I can see that they are already here. And here I have the trail camera, and I will now see if there's anything on it.
And there was a lot of pictures of common buzzards that fights. There was also a goshawk and some wild boar.
And here I have put out some frozen meat for the birds of prey, and I have the trail camera there. But I think I will change the trail camera to that tree there, so I can see it better. Or I will move it, but I don't want to move it because then the eagles don't dare to go down because it's too close to the blind. And here I have on Thursday I will have the wind from that direction, which means that I have the blind there, and they will fly from over there here, and then I can get pictures and movies from the front. Now I'm sitting here in my blind and checking what the trail camera and the picture of the trail camera, and there was about 300, and there was a great, not great grey owl, there was a white-tailed eagle, an old one, and I think there was a young one also I will see, and there were fight between common buzzard, and there was common jay and other thing. So I should have put out some food for the small birds also, and then maybe I could have another picture of them also. But no, I'm going to search for the other trail camera. My brother said that I forgot everything, but I know it's there, but I had said that before and it wasn't there. So I haven't lost any trail camera yet, but it seems to be the first. But yes, now I have found the trail camera. I didn't remember that I moved it from that side to that side, and it's 1 meter from the path where I was walking, and there it is. I will show you. Oh, Jesus Christ. Here you have it.
Driving into a sunlight winter morning, the world glitters in frosted light. The road unfolds through a magic landscape, still, bright and full of quiet wonder.
As you can see, the roads are very slippery, so I had to drive carefully. Oh, what a wonderful day it is. It's
In the morning it was minus 18 degrees, and yesterday I thought I would go early to my blind, but it snows a lot yesterday evening. So I know that the food I put out yesterday, and I must say thank you to my friend that borrowed me the four-wheeling, because it's so heavy to wear out all the foods. But there is so much snow on my blind now, so the birds can't see the food. So therefore it's not so hurry. I'm not in so hurry. I have been shoveling snow at home. I have been shoveling snow at my mother. She's 95 years, so I help her. And now I have stopped because it's so beautiful with the snow. I drive slowly here so I can see tracks, if there are tracks from lynx or from wolf, because we have a wolf nest not so far away here, and we have lynx also here, and there are snow on the road so I can see it, and both lynx and wolf wants to go on roads, so I drive carefully. Now I'm here and I will go out, and it's minus 15 degrees still, so it's cold. I had to take warm clothes on me and go. And now I will show you, if I get any pictures, I will show you them now.
I can't hear any birds except for one or two ravens. So I think that meat is under the snow, so I had to shuffle it so they can see it. And now I will go. It's so beautiful. And what a lucky guy I am that I have my blind and the weather. Oh, Jesus. I just heard a big noise there in the forest. It must be a moose, because it was a branch that was broken and I heard it. Now I will go again.
Now I have put out some food for the small birds, and I have fixed so the snow don't so you can see the food for the birds of prey. And here I have my warmer, but it's so cold today, so I had to warm the gas with the hands, and it's minus 14 degrees just now, so yeah, but I'm not freezing. But I will see if I can start it. No. Now it starts. But it stopped immediately. And I will show you the window just now, because I don't have any heat here. And it looks like this. As you can see, it's a lot of snow on it, ice on the window. But the light is not perfect. It's too light. But I hope it will be better soon. There's a fox, and everything disappears. And I will photograph the fox now. So I come back. I can hear the goose hawk. So, oh Jesus. There was a white-tailed eagle, and I think there are two. I just saw the shadow. I saw one, and I saw another shadow, and I must be quiet. No, everything disappeared. I have 15 common buzzard, I have 15 red kite, and everything disappeared. I think there is a white-tailed eagle somewhere, or a golden eagle. So I will wait until it comes down, and until then I will take some coffee. Golden eagle and one white-tailed eagle. This was incredible. The golden eagle sits now 50 meters from here, eaten on road-killed hare, and it flies away with it, and now it sits on a branch. And here was a white-tailed eagle also, and it screams, so the golden eagle flies away. It's a young one, and the white-tailed eagle is an old one. I take a photo, but it was far away. So excited. Hi, this is day 2, and I wanted to go here today also because when I'm going home yesterday, the white-tailed eagle was here. And this day I come when it was dark, 1 hour before sunset, but the white-tailed eagle was here also. I'm so sorry. But the ravens, every year in the end of October and in the end of February, they are coming together here. I think you heard it. And I think you heard a goose hawk also. They come together and have some meeting, and they are sitting together and like people, and so it's so nice to see. And here are red kite today. Here are common buzzard, but not so many yet. They will come. But no, as usual, I take coffee and wait for the white-tailed eagle. And I hope you enjoy it. I also wait for the great spotted woodpecker because it wasn't here yesterday. And no, I had to stop because it could be the white-tailed eagle or a fox coming, because it's alert here. It was the white-tailed eagle, but this time it was a young one, and I shall film it because it sits 100 meters from here, but I think it will come. The golden eagle was flying towards me, hunting common buzzard, and it was so fast. I hope it will come down today also. And the white-tailed eagle, I have filmed it. It was 50 meters from me, 40 maybe. Okay, I will wait for the golden eagle.
Now I'm ready to go home, and if you like the movie, then please give me a thumb up, or even better, if you don't subscribe to my channel so it's growing. And here you see it's beautiful, and it's not any wind. I could go home because the fox was coming and all the birds disappear, and then I get out directly, so I hope I didn't disturb them. There was the white-tailed eagle, but it left when the fox come. Okay, see you in next movie, I hope.
Thank you for watching, and please give me a thumb up, or even better, if you subscribe to my channel.